Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change your nickname in Honkai Star Rail. To do this, you will need to click in the top left corner of the screen. Right here, select these three dots and go for Trailblazer profile. Now you can either click on this pen next to your nickname or click on these three dots and select edit name. You can change it only after 17, let's check it again, only after 1 hours and 52 minutes. So I think I just made that account, so probably it takes 72 hours to change your name. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.